Oh my, but you're not scared? Maybe they they will hit you by head.
Yes.
No, but if they hit you, maybe barbecue.
Okay.
And they have so here. What they eat? They're not cats. Yes.
Look at me. Let me say hi. Hi.
Hope they
Hi.
don't scare. Malak and the Lloyd. Oh man, he's so cute and tasty. Man, but why so bad? Like Kevis, like lamb. I'm so happy. Yes. You know, I feel like we walking something like 1 hour already, but no, only 10 minutes. Yes.
It's normal.
China people going with umbrella to the mountain. Okay, how we can get here? From there.
Go, I make you picture. Oh, be careful. Wait.
It's so strong.
But be careful.
You must try that because it's like
Poor.
it's like someone make you caja, but in all your back, but strong.
Ah.
Really strong. Yes. But you know, May, you look like Mongolian girl with this. Caja. No, caja. And this no, like Mongolian or Kazakhstan, something like that. Because they wear the thing, and they only have this. No, this. No. Okay, let's go. So nice sound from water. Oh, look, someone read the newspaper in water, just sitting and reading. Yes, look at these people. Man make photo to his girlfriend. Also, yes, you can sit there to read newspaper, to make cafe, beer, but forbidden to eat or drink here, but okay. Wow, really nice place. I live in Israel 20 years and I didn't know about this place. Oh, we are still walking. We pass another one waterfall, and we yes, this is Dead Sea. What is there? It's island or boat? Dead Sea. And there is Jordan. Yes, maybe something. Yes, yes, they come with books. Maybe Jesus was made here something important. Okay, from here or from there? Let's go. Yes. How much waterfall? I have here, and there also have something. Okay.
No, there is maybe like this.
You know?
Remember, yes. I saw you fight here before and here.
What he's doing?
In same floor.
Okay, we not disturb him. No, but from here is the wet trail. You walk only in water, I think, like in Ramatagolan. Wow. Inside? Hello. Have someone? No. Wow, mate, here is so cold. Yes. Like Mazgan on 16, like air conditioner on 16.
People make tea of here.
Yes, of course. It's a nice place to make pee or to go toilet. Must be careful about the phone. Yes, China with umbrella. Be scared from sun. Yes. Okay, what do you think? Let's go up or there? Here? Okay. Okay, from where we can go? We need to go up? Okay, let's go up. Yes. Okay, we are here. Yes, no, but this is a way, trail, wet trail. You walk only in water. Only in water. You see? All this, distance only in water. It's nice. Wow.
Come on, boom.
Not easy. But
Oh, it's so hot.
we don't give
It's-
up. Yes, and this thing is so hot.
Be careful.
Wow, wow, wow.
I no. Look. Yes, yeah.
Yes. How much nice? In the middle.
You see, this what I say. Because very close Kawan,
Yes, you're right.
So shame.
Come on.
But we here. So
No, but how much nice? Because in the middle of desert. You have
yes.
From here? Or from there?
I don't know. Because this close.
So yes, from here. But this is the wet trail.
But the place from here or there?
There. Oh my. Hi. They speak Arabic between them, but I didn't understand even one word because they're Arabs from south. They're Bedouin. I understood what he said, but I cannot translate because I don't know what it was. Oh May, where we are. Wow. May, I have to say, I really didn't expect this. Something like that, something like this from this place. Yes, yes. And also the floor is also nice. Look nice. I don't know if people, pee here or animals, but have the smell.
Kijk, zelf ook een negatieve one.
Namaste. Namaste. I live here. I live here, but I'm from Belarus. Yes, but I live here 20 years. And my girlfriend, she's from Thailand. She looks same you know, brown little bit. She's from Thailand. Me too. I like your food. Palak paneer. Here in Israel have a Indian restaurant. Yes.
Where in Tel Aviv?
In north, in Kiryat Shmona. Yes, and I look a video in YouTube about India. I want to visit India one time.
You're making video for YouTube?
Yeah, yes, but I just started. I have only one video from alpaca farm.
What is your channel?
No plan travel.
No plan travel.
Yes, because we no plan. We just wake up. Okay, where we go today?
Yeah.
Let's go to that sea.
Very good.
Thank you.
I will subscribe.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Ah yes, you were in India. Yeah. Wow.
And have
Some-
building, big building with a stone, something inside.
Taj Mahal.
No,
No?
Taj Mahal, another thing.
Where in India?
Good.
Bali.
Bali.
Bali?
Bali. Something like that. Because I be, many places, start from north and go like that.
We are from South. South India. Not from
Close to Pakistan?
No, not South.
South.
It's Goa, you know Goa?
Ah, Goa, yes, trance and discotheque and
Ah.
drugs. You make drugs and you.
Same place.
Yes, I know.
You are right.
I like your music. You know, Goa music. Also. Bye bye. How to say bye? Namaste. Namaste is bye. Namaste.
Namaste.
No, because she also has that. Yes, she also said to me. Yes. Same Buddha. Buddha. Okay. Okay, make this again for video. Namaste. Namaste. Bye.
Really, I listen from them many things for
Yes.
my mind on YouTube. Okay, we just stop here. I don't know where. Just like like Israelis stop in the side of the road. And now, oh, this is stone of salt. Yes. It's, oh.
strong. Oh, how much salt, May? If you need salt in home, so you can take. I think. Like no wind, no nothing. Like frozen. Yes. Yes, covered by salt. And this one, let's break. See, you take this. Now if you need salt, just come here and take how much you need, how much you can take. Okay. The water so quiet. Let's disturb the water. So quiet, like mirror, really. Nothing, even doesn't move. And there is Jordan. You can swim to Jordan. You know, we can swim to Jordan to eat shawarma. You know, shawarma falafel
And back.
and back.
Maybe say have nice shawarma.
Yes, of course.
Oh,
Yes. Oh, May, you feel that under your legs, under your foot,
yes.
like it's like ice, you know.
Same ice.
Yes, and you can fall down, no? Oh no. Okay, go back. Really like ice. May, no, but see?
Yes.
What are doing pictures? Okay, let's go back to the car before some accident happened with us, with our car, and we will stuck here in desert. You know, it's not so nice. No, but okay, we have money. We can order taxi and go somewhere.